university students dive into another year of their academic journey, we know the road can be challenging. But with the right tools and mindset, the rewards will be sweet. Let's go around campus to hear from some students and their tips for a successful university life.
For me, time management is a big thing. So I use a digital planner to keep track of all my classes, assignments, and other activities. So I'm always on target.
The resources on campus are vast and beneficial to all aspects of my growth, from the library to the medical center and career and placement facilities. I encourage everyone to make use of these resources.
I love the variety of clubs and societies we have here on campus. It gives me the opportunity to learn different things outside of my field and to network with my peers.
The workload can be overwhelming, so prioritize yourself by taking breaks.
Your time in university is a journey, so take one step at a time, ask for help, and make the most out of every opportunity.